Introduction to insect pollination. Insect pollination is a crucial ecological process where insects transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating the reproduction of flowering plants. This mutualistic relationship benefits both the plants, which reproduce and produce seeds, and the insects, which gain food resources. Understanding how this process works and its significance highlights its importance for ecosystems and human agriculture. How insects pollinate flowers. Insects pollinate flowers by visiting them to collect nectar and pollen. When an insect lands on a flower, it brushes against the flower's anthers, which are the pollen-producing structures. Pollen grains adhere to the insect's body, and as it moves to another flower, some of this pollen is transferred to the stigma, the receptive part of the female reproductive organ. This transfer allows fertilization to occur, leading to seed and fruit development. Types of insects involved. Various insects play a role in pollination, each with specific behaviors and adaptations. Bees are among the most effective pollinators due to their hairy bodies, which collect and transport large amounts of pollen. Butterflies and moths are also important pollinators, attracted to brightly colored flowers with abundant nectar. Additionally, beetles, flies, and some wasps contribute to pollination, though they are less specialized compared to bees and butterflies. The role of flower characteristics. Flowers have evolved various traits to attract and accommodate pollinators. For example, some flowers produce sweet-smelling nectar and have vibrant colors to attract insects. The shape and structure of flowers can also be adapted to facilitate specific types of insect pollination. For instance, tubular flowers are designed for long-tongued insects like butterflies, while shallow flowers may attract bees with shorter tongues. Importance of insect pollination. Insect pollination is vital for the reproduction of many plants, which in turn supports entire ecosystems. About 75% of flowering plants rely on animal pollinators to reproduce. This process ensures the production of fruits, seeds, and nuts, which are crucial for the diet of many animals, including humans. Additionally, pollination supports biodiversity by enabling the growth of various plant species. Impact on agriculture. Insect pollination is essential for agricultural productivity. Many of the crops that humans rely on, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, depend on insect pollination. Without these pollinators, yields would decrease significantly, leading to reduced food availability and increased costs. The agricultural sector relies heavily on healthy pollinator populations to maintain crop production and food security. Threats to pollinators. Pollinators face numerous threats that impact their populations and effectiveness. Habitat loss, pesticide use, climate change, and diseases contribute to the decline of insect pollinator populations. These threats can lead to reduced pollination services, impacting plant reproduction and crop yields. Addressing these issues is critical for maintaining healthy ecosystems and ensuring food security. Conservation efforts. Conservation efforts are focused on protecting and supporting pollinator populations. Strategies include creating pollinator-friendly habitats, reducing pesticide use, and promoting sustainable agricultural practices. Additionally, public awareness and research into pollinator health are essential for developing effective conservation measures and ensuring the resilience of pollination services. Conclusion. The significance of insect pollination. Insect pollination is a vital ecological and agricultural process that supports the reproduction of flowering plants and contributes to biodiversity and food security. Understanding how insects pollinate flowers and the challenges they face underscores the importance of protecting these essential creatures. Conservation efforts and sustainable practices are crucial for maintaining healthy pollinator populations and ensuring the continued benefits of this important process.